Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you inside a modern factory to see how sanitary pads are made from start to finish. Let's get into it. The process kicks off with raw materials. A super soft, non-woven fabric is used for the top layer, while absorbent pulp and super absorbent polymers make up the core. For the bottom, a waterproof plastic film is prepared to stop leaks. No mess, no stress. Next up is core formation. The pulp is broken down, mixed with polymers, and shaped into a thin pad. This core is wrapped tightly with tissue paper to keep everything locked in. Now comes the cool part, assembly time. All the layers are stacked together and sealed using heat or ultrasonic bonding. A strong adhesive is added to the bottom, along with release paper, so the pad stays in place and peels off smoothly. After that, the pads are cut into shape, embossed for comfort, folded neatly, and checked for quality and hygiene. Finally, each pad is wrapped, packed into boxes, and shipped out. And that's how sanitary pads